Academy from the year 2018 to 2020. I am very happy and I am very proud of that I am a part of Ganville Academy. I was very motivated from the Ganville Academy, but I'm not also motivated, but I also got confidence in myself and I also got hope that I may achieve still many things that I cannot. Ganville Academy is an institution which is best option that was founded by my father according to me. Because Ganville Academy not only makes the students confident according to for themselves, but also the Ganville Academy environment around the students will also motivate them and inspire them to do the things which they could not achieve. As we know that failure is the part of our journey. Failure is the ones which make us to grow better and to prove ourselves. Ganville Academy is the institution which makes the students to success and lead them to success. And also, I'm a batch of 2018 to 2020. So, before the exam which was taken by me to be a part in the Ganville Academy, I was very confident at myself that I can deal with the subjects which I was probably not recognized in my being that I was weak in that subject. But Ganville Academy taught me that maybe persons or the people or the students may be weak in subjects which we never found out that we are weak in that subject. Ganville Academy has taught me that I was weak in that subject and it made me to grow better in that subject. Ganville Academy is an institution which not only gives the coaching of CLAT but also it gives the JEE and mains coaching. But I was a part of CLAT. As we people or we students well known that the directors of Ganville Academy, Narisar and Shirisha ma'am, who were motivate the students according to the day-wise sections. They'll take part in the Ganville Academy processing for the students to motivate them, just to motivate them to take the sections, not for the teaching purpose. So Ganville Academy gives the students an idea and the hope and the things which are different from the other campuses. So it taught me the things which I could ever learn, and it taught me the things that I can do some things which by myself. So Ganville Academy, I was very thankful for the Ganville Academy and the faculty and the directors and the gardens, hostel gardens mainly, because not only the faculty members, not only the directors, because we people are the hostlers, we are part of Ganville Academy 24/7. So not only the directors and the faculties who are the part of Ganville Academy on the daytime will manage our things and will help to motivate our skills and help to develop our skills. But after the past time of the campus, the hostel wardens were the one who will also motivated us to be in a straight path and to be in a right path to achieve our goals. So, according to me, the 2 years which I was spent in Ganville Academy was a wonderful time, which taught me very wonderful things. And I was very thankful for the directors, faculty and the warden members, which made my dream come true to be a part of Jindal Global University. So, thank you Ganville Academy, thank you directors, thank you faculty, thank you everybody, thank you.